Correct TV.
It would be fair to say I'm a loser when it comes to men.
So it is true.
Pardon?
Diamond's a woman's friend.
What's life without a little spunk?
Spunk? It's like gambling.
Who is gambling? I was just telling her about my new catch. My oil tycoon.
Hey! Mama C! Oh yes! He has lifted me up into his strong arms. Oh! Hey. Wow! That's the house. I fool. Same. Odinisi Kenyana. I see that one man 19.
Where are the diamonds? My earrings. This is great. This is impossible.
Correct TV.
Now we own.